Oh no, children, I've lost the train.
Hailey's magical playhouse.
So what awesome fun do you have for us today, Hailey?
I have 2 Kinder eggs, a giant Peppa Pig surprise egg, and we got Peppa Pig's train.
Wow, 2 Kinder Surprise eggs. Those are gonna be fun.
And this big one here.
Wow. Awesome. I wonder what's inside.
Yeah, it sounds like a baby.
A baby?
Yeah, it sounds like Peppa Pig in there. Big Peppa Pig to cuddle on.
Oh, we'll see. And we got Grandpa Pig's train. This thing looks awesome. It includes George and Grandpa Pig. This thing looks so cool. Check out the back. Wow, join Grandpa Pig on a fun ride.
Look at Peppa Pig there on the train.
Yeah.
And Bunny too.
Oh yeah, Rebecca Rabbit.
And I have some cute little ponytail.
Oh, like a rabbit?
Yeah. Let's open Peppa Pig's train first.
Okay.
I can't open it. I have to use magic because it's too hard.
To open it? Okay. I think you can use magic.
Magic, make it open.
Wow, you did it! That's awesome. Whoa, that looks really cool.
I think that was a wizard again.
You're a wizard again?
Yes.
That's so cool. Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Now, does it do anything special?
And then I got surprise egg.
Uh-oh. You know what? Whoa, special delivery! We've got a special delivery for Hailey's Magical Playhouse.
I have an egg.
Oh, that's lovely. You've got an egg. So awesome. 2 Kinder Surprise eggs. Let's check these out.
I'm hoping mine fit.
Whoa. How's the chocolate? Awesome. It's yummy, huh?
What do you have?
I don't know. Let me see. Inside my surprise egg. Oh. Looks like. What animal is this?
Elephant.
That's right, an elephant.
Elephants are cool.
I like elephants.
They could drink water.
Yeah, they put it in their nose and then they can use it to rinse off.
Yeah.
Or spray you.
Yeah. My favorite elephant's Dumbo.
Oh, you like Dumbo?
Yeah.
Awesome.
I like pet him. I was going on the Dumbo one.
Oh, at Disney?
Oh, I see the elephant.
You see it? Okay, it says we flick it. Whoa, that's cool. It looks like he's shooting out of the cannon. Whoa, that's neat.
Whoa!
So what did you get?
I got Froggy.
A froggy?
And a hippo.
And a hippo?
Here he is.
Awesome. Ribbit, ribbit. And then if you flip it upside down, it's another animal.
I see.
Yeah, it looks like a moose to me. Hailey thinks it looks like a hippo.
Tell me what you think in the comments below.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Watch this. Knock it down.
All aboard! Chugga, 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 chugga. Oink, 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 oink. That's silly. Wow. I think they need to find some more riders. Look how cool this train is.
Gertrude is the very best train in the whole world.
The very very best train in the whole world. What do you think? What do you think, George?
Cool.
Let's pick up some passengers. Alrighty. Special delivery. We've got a special delivery. Whoa, that was a giant egg, George.
Whoa, it's an ice cream shop.
An ice cream shop. Uh-oh, there goes the egg.
Look, look, look. Ice cream time.
Whoa, that's so cool. And look, it comes with Peppa Pig and George. And they have a little ice cream cart. That's perfect, because we don't have Peppa Pig, do we? And I guess we're going to have 2 Georges. I guess she's going to have twin brothers then, huh? Yeah, that's going to be cool. You want to open it up?
Here's Peppa Pig.
Awesome. Look, she's got an ice cream scoop with her and everything. Well, hello, everyone.
Hello.
And then, oh, we got George. Can we see George? Thank you. Look at George. He's got his dinosaur shirt on. Awesome.
Sure.
Do you think George likes dinosaurs?
Yeah.
I
He
do too.
sleeps with them.
He does. Cool. And then we've got an ice cream cart.
George.
Whoa.
George.
Come along, Peppa. Let's put our little ice cream shop up. Maybe we'll get some customers. And we never showed you Grandpa Pig. Here he is. He's got his whistle and everything. Ready to go. All aboard! And then the other George, he's got a train shirt on. That's awesome.
George, do you want some ice cream?
Woohoo! Alright, hey George, should we stop and get some ice cream? Yeah, Grandpa, that would be lovely.
Hey, hey.
Alright, we're at the ice cream stand.
You're so cute. Yay, you got brothers. Hey.
Oh boy, they multiplied on me. There's 2 Georges now.
We are
Oh
brothers.
no. Brothers? Oh, I've got another grandson. Well, hello, Peppa. How are you today? I'm lovely.
Can we have some ice cream, please? Yeah.
Oh, yes, we would all like some ice cream, Peppa. Can you make us some? Of course I can. I'm an ice cream shop tenant. Okay, George, here you go. There's an ice cream for you. Oh, don't let it roll away. Now, this is an ice cream bowl. It's something I invented. And there you go, other George. There you go. Don't let it fall now. And a nice special big one for you, Grandpa.
Thank you, Peppa. It's delicious.
You're welcome, Twin Georges. Yes, Peppa, thank you so much. This is so good. Well, I'm gonna get on to the train. Would you like to hop aboard?
You want to come with us, Peppa?
Yes, I would love to ride along. What should I do with my ice cream cart?
You should put it in here.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Choo choo. Oh, my ice cream! I think I've lost my ice cream. Oh, hey! Oh, I'm running it over. Oh, that's not gonna taste good.
Yeah, it's better fast.
Yeah. Okay, kids, we're going to hyper speed. Hold on. Uh-oh. A little bit of turbulence. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, hold on. Seatbelts, everyone. Oh no. Oh no, children, I've lost the train. I've lost the train. Okay, Peppa, save them. Get up there, Peppa. Stop the train.
What should I do?
Just pull the lever back and it will break. Oh, thank goodness, Peppa. It almost ran me over. Great job.
Yay! Peppa saved the day!
Great job, Peppa. You really saved everyone.
Thank you. I think I might be in my lessons. That was so much fun. Thank you for getting this.
You're very welcome there, little Georges.
Look at me. I'm going on the boat.
Oh boy, that does not look safe. I told you that wasn't safe. What are you
Yeah,
doing on top of the train?
I
Oh
want the
boy,
moon.
George. We're going to have to rescue him, Peppa. Let's go.
Ow. If you had this video, give it a thumbs up. Choo, 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 choo.
Yeah, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends.
And subscribe for always more videos like this one.
That's right. Make sure you subscribe for more fun with Peppa Pig toys. And surprise toys and surprise eggs and always having lots and lots of fun. Right, kiddo?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see everyone tomorrow.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you. Grandpa Pig, I think we also need to clean up. Well, Peppa, that is a great idea. And I know just the way to make it a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Here we go. Trash drop off.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah!